How's it, everybody? So, excuse the unshavenness. I did at some stage today. We're going to have a video today, weren't we? Building the boat and all that sort of thing, but the weather has other ideas. All the little cows over there going, standing under the trees. So that's that. I guess this will be short and sweet, just to say there won't be anything today. If I do anything, I'll do it for tomorrow. And then since this week is short week with Easter, I'm not going to bother you guys over Easter. So I hope you have a very safe Easter. Make sure you don't, look out for yourself on the roads and all that sort of thing if you're going away. And just be mindful everyone's in a rush to get out there and have some fun, where it's the time when people aren't really thinking too much. So just be careful, stay safe, and have a lot of fun, right? There will be a video tomorrow of some description, but after that I'll let everybody have their Easter to themselves, and I'll be back Tuesday. So I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully with some sort of a decent video. If not, I have some clips, some bloopery stuff. Maybe I'll throw it into a montagey video for you, just to end the week. And then yeah, but anyway, make sure you actually go and check out Paul's channel, Study Boy NZ. Here's some really good news. Congrats to him. I know it's been a long time coming, so awesome news. So if I can't tell you what it is, you'll have to go watch it on his channel, Study Boy NZ. Alright, till tomorrow, stay safe and take it easy.